Today I'm going to be showing you, this will just be a short video of how I do sublimation mugs. This customer basically wanted a picture of her two dogs on a mug. So I took the two pictures and I went to remove.bg, and what you do is you just drag the photo and this will remove the background. So I didn't want the full background gone, so I went to the original. Let me download that one. And then I went to edit, and I basically went to here and I selected the one with the blurry background, and then I downloaded it. And I did the same with the other picture. I just dragged it, and then I went to edit, and I didn't like this picture. I liked this one here. So I did that, and then I dragged them into Silhouette, and I created this template for 15-ounce mugs. So basically, the template is .983 inches in height and 9.486 inches in length. And I leave a little tiny space here on each side, an even space, so that I don't go too close to the handle because sometimes it doesn't press that well there. So I'm just going to send this to my printer. Sorry, let me go back. So in Silhouette Studio, you want to do File, Print Page Setup. And I selected mug size paper, and I selected landscape because it is sideways, but I want it printed. So it is in landscape, but I want it printed in landscape. So then you just hit print, and I have to select the printer again, and we want to flip it. And then in print settings, I'm going to change my paper source to my rear paper feed, because in my cassette is 8.5 by 11 paper. So in my rear paper slot, I'm just going to put in a mug size paper. And then I'm going to hit print. So I will see you guys when I have this printed out. Okay guys, sorry about my voice. So I'm now at my printer and it's telling me to load the single paper in the rear slot. Don't mind the mess, I have a lot of orders. So this is my paper and this is the back. It's the text print R mug size paper. So I'm gonna put this on the back. I have it already sized for mug paper. And now it's going to print out. Okay, so there's the print all done. Okay, so we're just gonna go back over here, and then this is my mug press. So I am going to turn this on so that it heats up. And I set my temperature to 191 Celsius for 95 seconds. So the left side right now is heating up, and this is the Free Sub double mug press. And then I have a box of Sublimation mugs. So I'm just gonna take one of these out. And don't mind me guys, I'm using one hand with my tripod. Okay guys, I got a different camera set up now. So basically, you're gonna take your Sublimation mug, and they come wrapped for protection because you don't want them dirty. And what I do is I just rub this down to make sure there's nothing on it. And if I see any little black fuzzy hair looking type dust, I just wipe it down. So this mug is all clean, and this is sealed for sublimation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut just the bottom where the white is. And the only reason why I'm doing this is for my own, just so that when I line it up, I know how far I should actually go. And same with the side here. And don't mind the beeping in the background. That's just the mug press telling me that it's heated up and ready to go. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut off the white top as well. Okay, so you're also going to need some heat resistant tape. So this is my tape, and I got this from Amazon or AliExpress, one of the two. I think it was Amazon, and I think it was like $13 for about 4 of these. So I don't have one of those tape, what's it called? I can't even think of the word right now, but I just cut it with scissors. So now I'm gonna take the image and I'm going to line it up the best that I can, evenly to the handle and from top to bottom. So that looks about even to me from top to bottom, the space. And then from the handle wise, that also looks pretty even to me. So I'm gonna tape one side, and then I'm gonna pull really tight, going around the mug, and I'm gonna tape the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to put just a piece of tape at the top here, going across like that. Okay, and then when you're pressing, you always want to make sure, so I just use scrap paper, that you have a piece of paper around your image so that it doesn't transfer the actual image onto your mug press. So I'm gonna go put this in the mug press and I will be right back. I wanted to show you guys the paper that I am using. So it's the mug size sheets, and it's 4 inches by 9.5 inches. And it comes with 110, and I think I paid, I'm not sure. The most I think I paid is $20 for this, but I don't even think it was that much. I think it was like 15. But yeah, it says it's for the Ricoh printers, desktop sublimation paper for Ricoh printer, but it actually works just fine for the Epsons. Okay guys, so the mug's finished, and when I said it was on for 95 seconds, it's actually on for 4 minutes and 20 seconds once it gets heated up and the timer goes down. So this is very hot, so we're using tweezers to remove the tape. And let's reveal. There it is. Looks amazing. I don't know if you can see with the glare. It looks so good. Okay, so that was how to make a sublimation mug. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.